My experience has been nothing but exceptional. I'm so pleased with my results, and I feel more feminine, more confident. I had somebody ask me once if I actually feel more self-conscious after having my breast reconstructed, and the answer is no. I feel better than I ever have. I feel more confident when I walk into a room, knowing that I'm not wearing a padded bra, wondering if everybody knows.
Does anybody notice?
I'm sure people notice because they look fantastic, but nobody has asked me.
Nobody comes up to you and says anything. They just and how do you feel when you're wearing a dress or bikini?
I feel like myself again. After having children, I lost about 3 sizes, and not only were they flat, they were almost inverted.
Yeah.
So to have that curvature and to go without a bra for the first time ever, with just some pasties, feels amazing. And nobody can tell I don't have a bra on. It's life-changing for me. I just feel so confident.
I'm so happy for you.
And thank you very much for doing that for me.
Our pleasure.
Yeah, thank you.
You bet.